Following the facelift, Mercedes-Benz has elevated the crossover experience with enhanced features like DISTRONIC, active steering assistance, and traffic sign recognition. Parking sensors have also undergone upgrades, showcasing the commitment to seamless functionality. Turning our attention to the exterior, the revamped Mercedes-Benz GLE and GLE Coupe boast a fresh front bumper, a revamped radiator grille, redesigned headlights and taillights, air intakes adorned with stylish chrome trim, and an array of new body colors, including sophisticated shades of gray and blue metallic. Venturing into the interior, the spotlight falls on the innovative steering wheel with touch controls, introducing a new level of intuitive interaction. Not to be overlooked, the chrome accents on the central and side deflectors add a touch of elegance that captivates the eye. The rejuvenated Mercedes-Benz crossovers are not just about aesthetics. They are a testament to the brand's dedication to cutting-edge design and technological advancement. Rev up your excitement for the latest upgrades. Brace yourself for powertrain innovations that bring mild hybrid technology to all models. Picture a Mercedes 2-liter turbocharged engine teaming up with an electric motor, cranking out a whopping 381 GP. And for all you AMG enthusiasts, get ready to feast your eyes on the stunning exterior updates. But that's not all. Step inside to discover a plethora of fresh interior trims and seating options. The GLE 53 is no slouch either. It's received a turbocharger boost and a software update, pushing the torque to new heights. The result? A jaw-dropping acceleration time to 100 kph in just 5 seconds. Now that's what we call a ride worth waiting for.